am Aneta Key, and this is a side story on the importance of being succinct. My father was visiting me recently from Bulgaria, and he had a very interesting observation. When people would call him on his cell phone, he'd open the conversation with, "Hey, could we keep it short please because I'm roaming?" Meaning he is about to rack up a very expensive international phone call because of the roaming charges. Now, his observation was that people trying to be kind, polite, and conscious about this were way more succinct and way better structured than usual. So that got me thinking, when we are meeting anyone in professional situation, whether it's a single manager, executive, or multiple people, we may not be paying the roaming charges, but we are certainly using a valuable and scarce resource, their attention. So if we ramble, that is, if we are not being structured and succinct in our communications, we are effectively racking up those rambling charges or roaming charges. So let that be a reminder. Rambling is just like roaming, very impolite.